Hello everybody, welcome to a Roblox video. Today we are playing two player superhero tycoon with TDM bird.
Hey guys!
And right now,
hey, stop beating me to a volley pole!
Don't say that. And today we're going to just play around because we completed this.
Yeah, look.
And and you're probably wondering, why are you Harley Quinn? Well, that's because when we first joined this game, Harley Quinn was the only one free, and we eventually completed her. See, we even got the
We first did Wolverine, and then we did.
But that was in your video.
8 stop.
Whoa!
Ah! Cyborg. That cyborg power's written all over it.
He must die.
And beat him with our hammers and our pistols.
We can't hit people with pistols.
Yeah, people do that in the movies when their pistols are on.
Hey, Peanut! Dude!
I reject you.
No!
How could this happen to you?
Yeah, well, guess what? I grab these weapons.
I don't grab the Gatling gun or the motorcycle. Because
I like to keep my gun on flamethrower mode.
Wait, there's modes?
Yeah, but you have to be on computer to do it. Don't mind the noise in the background if you can hear it.
That's just a TV show on.
TV.
And it's fun. If you guys don't know that. Ow! What the
Is
heck?
someone attacking us?
They couldn't get in.
Oh, yeah.
Because we're completed. No magic carpet. No magic hacking.
No magic.
Because if their hack got hacked and they just teleport them to the front door, like in the owner door.
Oh my god, imagine that. Like, if someone got in, like, through, like, a back door that was actually a trick, it just automatically killed you.
Ooh.
You can't spend any money, and I almost have $4 million.
I have 3 mil.
You have... Wrong button. Yeah, you're not even close to 4 million.
We're the richest people in the game.
Wolverine's free, but we didn't complete him. And we just wanted to enjoy Harley Quinn. Oh god, crates!
Get that crate, bro.
This is a good time if I had my speedy boots.
I'm gonna go see if...
Motorcycle!
Because Flash has speedy boots.
Work, you dang motorcycle!
The speedy boots are coordinated for Flash. They don't have them yet.
Speedy boots!
With Flash, they don't have the speedy boots yet. But I've been spying.
Ah! I died!
Ooh, rocket boots.
Forget the rocket boots! They just make you jump higher! They suck!
They had a barrier.
Compared to speed.
They had a barrier the entire time.
Of course they do.
Did you just die?
Yes, because I was using the motorcycle. I have speedy boots!
How?
I don't know!
Now you won't need to stock the Flash.
Wow!
That's only me. I stocked the Flash for speedy boots.
Also, PS4 video should be coming out soon.
Yeah, we have a PS4
for Christmas.
And
This is the season to spend a bunch of money on random things that you probably don't need.
I got a Gatling gun. I need to reset.
Bruh, just put it in your backpack.
Why reset? And my Gatling gun gives me diarrhea.
Even though Christmas is over like 2 days ago, and my Christmas special was 1 day late.
Yeah, I can't put in my thing or reset.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, because of your screen. When you don't take care of your tablet, your screen will become cracked, and parts of it won't be able to work.
I hate Minecraft.
Only because of your tablet being the glitchiest glitch of glitches.
No, what's the... I'm
gonna smack your head in with this hammer. Where you at? Where you at?
I'm nowhere.
Where you at? I will find you.
No.
Hola.
Ah! Oh, shoot! Stop!
Okay, fine.
Stop or I'll leave.
No.
Tis the season to do backflips.
This is the season to get your head bashed into your skull. Wait, what?
That's
To
it
get-
for her.
To get your head bashed in by a random person running around with a hammer.
If you guys don't know this, a game came out recently on the PS4 called DC Heroes.
That wasn't recently. That's been out forever.
Not forever. It wasn't the first game made.
Oh my god, you know what I mean.
The first game made was Happy Wheels.
This is why I do a bunch of videos without this guy.
You know the first game to be made was Happy Meals?
No, it wasn't.
I said meals, not wheels.
But still, it wasn't. That's not even a game. Like,
Happy
bruh.
Wheels is a game.
Bruh.
Happy Wheels.
Bruh!
Happy Wheels is a
Okay,
game!
see, this is why I don't do videos with you.
Because I'm crazy
Yeah, pretty much.
and a psycho.
Pretty much again.
I'm not a psycho,
But you act
but
like
I
one.
will murder.
You act like one.
And I have a diamond generator.
I do too, but it just won't load because it's glitched.
My third dropper won't load, and I have $3 million.
No.
Me and my brother are the richest in this game.
Someone's the season to get your head bashed in by your brother.
Tis the season to the money your grandma gave you for Christmas.
Isn't that what?
Game theory says.
Woo!
Don't blame me. Blame the game theory.
I go around spawn killing a bunch of random nubs.
They just use this.
You.
Do they have speedy bootsy?
Pick a tycoon! Are you AFK? No AFK people allowed. Get out. That's yeah.
You gotta be kidding
Gone
me.
now.
Get
And
the
I got
speedy
boots. Speedy boots.
Ooh, what's
Speedy
that
boots.
I'm not Deadpool.
I have speedy boots.
Let's see
You
what
can't
that's
beat
like.
me. I got speedy boots.
Interesting.
Speedy boots.
Point.
Speedy boots. The only reason why I play this tycoon is because you can save. That's like the only reason I play these type of tycoons.
That's the only reason my brother even plays tycoons.
Speedy boots.
Any tycoon that saves, you want to play it all the time.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Because you can save. What's the point of a tycoon that you don't save and you just play it and then lose
You do
all
the
your
hard
progress?
work again.
Yeah, but then you have to do it again and again and again and again and again. Someone tried to stand up to our turrets. I will destroy him. He's Deadpool.
Stupid.
He's Deadpool. That's who he is. Ooh, a new person name. Nah.
You want to believe in me?
She's like, hello. Yeah,
They're still not buying the speedy boots.
this person, get out.
You've got to be kidding me. They're not buying.
What's the point of being Flash?
To get
Oh God, Cyborg! You! Nobody wants you to be Cyborg. Get out of here. I have speedy boots too!
You should give them a tour of our building.
They've already seen all the floors. Ah!
They went up for the speedy boots. They better buy the speedy boots.
Kill me.
I'm gonna give them what it looks like when you first start. Guys, look at Wolverine's base, and that's what you get when you first start.
Dude, that's obvious.
Obvi. Somebody
Dude, you're not even recording. Why are you...
They're not getting the speedy boots. Please get the speedy boots.
Dude, just be patient.
I
Remember that time... Pina, remember that time I was camping those two girls at Doctor Strange for a lightning staff? I was patient, even though I kept beating them with a hammer.
The speedy boots! Oh!
Did they buy him?
Yes. But I'm waiting for
Feel like as soon as you pick him up, you're gonna die. Imagine that.
And I just fell in the death trap. I'm waiting for everyone to leave. So I'm scouting. So I'm hunting them. Okay, did it.
I don't even know if the fans can hear you right now.
Speedy boat! Hurry! Go! Go! I have him! I have him!
Nice.
Yeah!
The video is gonna be over soon.
I just speedy boots in the base.
No! I hate it when the mouse
Speedy
disappears. I need
boots.
that. But I don't.
Going back in the base. Going back in the base. Back in the base. Back in the base. Back in the base. What are you doing? He's looking at my screen.
Who? Oh crud, no, not again, not again, not again, not again, no! Oh my god, I hate when this happens.
I have speedy boots. I need rockets. Now I need
I did it.
Let's get one of these.
Dude, the video's gonna end. We gotta get to the front. We can play after the video, you know. So come on, get to the front so we can end it cool. Alright?
I knew it! It was sidebar! I knew it!
Let's just do it! Oh, guys, hope you enjoyed the... Ow! Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the... Stop it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go watch some more of our videos. Dude, you're... Dude!
Weapons crate.
You want some? You want?
Get out of here!
I'll find you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.